Welcome everyone. In order to combine emojis in your iPhone, let's start by opening up the Messages app. In here, select anyone in your messages, it doesn't matter. Once you've done this, tap the plus at the bottom left, and we want to check if we have the Genmoji option. So my iPhone on the right does not have the Genmoji option. You can see it just isn't here. If you have an iPhone that's similar to this, where the Genmoji isn't showing, I will show you how to fix that at the end of the video. But if we do have the Genmoji option, let's tap into this one. Then, with the brand new iOS 26 and newer, we should have a plus to add an emoji. So I'm just going to choose my first emoji to combine. And then I'm going to add a second emoji. There we go. Now give it a couple seconds for the AI to merge the emojis together. You can merge more than two. So I'm going to put in a third one. And you can just keep on going. Now the first time I did this, it had a prompt show up on screen. And then when I dismissed it, it didn't work. Like the combination didn't work. But just give it a couple attempts. And you can slide across to view all of the options. Just like that. Once you're happy with the combined emoji, tap the tick at the top right. And now it doesn't matter where you are in messages, doesn't matter where you are, you can send that emoji. And to access that new emoji you combined, just tap the messages, tap on emoji, and then just tap this circle to the left of the time. And then you can see all of those emojis you created right there. Do note that the emoji you merge is technically classified as a sticker. So if you're in an area which doesn't let you set stickers, then the option won't appear and you won't be able to use the combined emoji. If you do not have the Genmoji option, there's a couple reasons why this happens. The first reason is you have an iPhone which is not supported with the Apple Intelligence feature set. So iPhone 14 series and older doesn't support Apple Intelligence. iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus do not support Apple Intelligence. However, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and then iPhone 16 series, non-Pro and Pro, and all the newer phones, they do support the Apple Intelligence. So that's one big factor as well. Now, I have iPhone 15 Pro and it's not working on this one. If that's happening with you, to fix that, you just need to open Settings, then select the Apple Intelligence and Siri. In here, if you don't see the Apple Intelligence and this on toggle or the option to turn on, that means that your language for Siri is incorrectly set or your region in your iPhone's incorrectly set. So set the Siri language to your exact country and region, then head into General, and then look for Language and Region. In here, make sure your region is set correctly. And then once you've done all of that, you can go back into Apple Intelligence. It should let you turn it on. If it's still not letting you turn it on, that's because your region doesn't support the Apple Intelligence. So I will change your Siri request language to English, United States, change your iPhone region to United States. Then this option should work and you'll be good to go. Once that happens, the Apple Intelligence will have to download files. It will take a couple of minutes, but once the download has completed, Genmoji will populate. And real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below. And, if this video didn't help you, any questions, any concerns, just let me know and I'll try and get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.